Frustrated by the Versiondll module DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we begin the walkthrough for Versiondll module, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Versiondll module, a specialized shim library used by legacy software to query the Windows version and localized build number. It acts as a bridge for the GetVersionEx API. Because it is often used by malware for environment detection, it is a high-risk file for antivirus heuristics. If missing, legacy apps may report Incompatible OS on Windows 10 and 11. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like Versiondll module DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Versiondll module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Versiondll module DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Versiondll module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Versiondll module functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support